Thank you for joining Antonia and me in this Contemporary Pilates flow sequence with FlowTonic Pads. You slide, and you slide back. So we have coordination of leg and arm movement. So you spiral in and out into a long side bend. So I'm adding on. So can you glide very lightly with the pads as you spiral your spine and stabilize the pelvis? Lower the pelvis, twisted snake, and then lift, center, front support. Inhalation into the inverted V. Exhale, grounds. So very strong activity through pelvic floor abdominals and also hip extensors. Slow change, inhale. One more time, dynamic. Exhalation, double leg slide, let the breath flow into a semicircle all the way down. Slide out. Thread the needle, thoracic rotation. So again, it's a segmental extension of the spine. If you make it bigger, there's a little bit more weight on the FlowTonic pad. So you can extend your top leg, the left leg out as you slide into the side support. With your inhalation, glide forwards and upwards if you like. Make it the biggest back extension. Exhalation, glides. Active lengthening and strengthening of the hip abductor muscles. Exhalation, spiraling while drawing the pad towards the mat. Inhalation, glide away, sternum towards the front. And the hands are resting on the pads very lightly. This is a comfort movement. The spine is dynamically stabilized. And let's do this one more time. And then add on to the right. And I hope you have enjoyed the sequence as much as Antonia and I did.